Good morning, students. In the last class, you learned division of polynomials. In that class, we completed some parts of question number 2 of exercise 5C. We completed part A, B, C, D, G and H. Remaining parts I am explaining now. So this is question number 2E. That is, here we have to divide a power 4 minus 14a square plus 49 divided by a square minus 7. So first we will write in this form. I think in meanwhile time, but you watch the video 2 or 3 times, so today you can understand easily. First we will divide this first term of dividend by this a square, first term of divisor. See here in the rough work, a power 4 upon a square. We can write it a power 4, take this power here, minus 2, then a square. This a square will be multiplied by this divisor. So a square multiplied by a square minus 7. A square multiply a square, this is a power 4, minus a square multiplied by 7, this is 7a square. So we will write this a square here, that is quotient, and a power 4 minus 7a square. Now change the sign. This is plus, we will change to minus. This is minus, we will change to plus. A power 4, positive a power 4, negative a power 4, these are cancelled. Simplify, minus 14a square plus 7a square. We get minus 7a square. Now write this 49 here. Again repeat the same process. First term of this dividend and divided by first term of divisor. Means minus 7a square upon a square. A square cancel. We get minus 7. We multiply this minus 7 by a square minus 7. Minus 7 multiplied by a square. Out of this bracket there is minus sign, so we will change this sign. It will become plus 7 multiplied by 7. Minus 7 multiply a square will be minus 7a square plus 7 7 ja 49. So we will write this minus 7 in quotient. Then this product we will write here, minus 7a square plus 49. Change the sign. Minus 7a square plus 7a square cancelled, plus 49 minus 49 cancelled, remainder is 0. Next, 2f. This part is little bit different. There is some difference. Here we have to divide a power 4 minus 5a square minus 6a plus 3 by a square minus 3a plus 1. So we will write this divisor, a square minus 3a plus 1, and dividend is a power 4 minus a square minus 6a plus 3. See here, if you are noticing, I have left some space here. Here is some note. In this sum, since term with literal coefficient a cube is missing, so a space is left for that. After a power 4, in the question no term with a cube, so we are leaving space for that term a cube. Then minus a square minus 6a plus 3. You can see this example also in same pattern. Here we have to divide c cube minus 125 by c minus 5. You read this example, then it will be more clear to you. So come to this 2f. Again we will follow same pattern. We will divide this first term of dividend by this first term of divisor. In the rough work, a power 4 upon a square is equal a power 4 minus 2 is equal a square. Now multiply this quotient a square by divisor. A square minus 3a plus 1. A square multiply a square, it is a power 4, minus a square multiply by 3a, it is 3a cube, plus a square multiply by 1, it is a square. So write quotient a square here and this product here. A power 4, we will write this minus 3a cube below this space which was left. Then plus a square. We will write like terms below each other. Now change the sign. This is plus, we will change to minus. This is minus, it will change to plus. Plus will change to minus. Now plus a4 minus a4, it will cancel. Plus this is, now this is plus 3a cube minus 5a square minus a square minus 6a square. We will write this minus 6a from here to here. Now again follow same pattern. First term of this dividend is plus 3a cube and divisor is again a square. So plus 3a cube upon a square is equal 3a power 3. 3a cube minus this power 2, we get 3a. Now 3a multiplied by divisor, a square minus 3a plus 1. So we will get 3a multiplied by a square, 3a cube minus 3a multiplied 3a, 9a square. 3 3 ja 9 a square plus 3 1 ja 3 a. So we will write this plus 3a here and this product here, 3a cube minus 9a square plus 3a. Change the sign. Plus 3a cube minus 3a cube cancel, minus 6a square plus 9a square. We will simplify. We get plus 3a square minus 6a minus 3a minus 9a. Now write this plus 3 here. Again this first term upon this first term. See 3a square upon a square is equal plus 3 as a square cancel. Now this plus 3 multiply by divisor a square minus 3a. So 3 multiply by a square, it is 3a square minus 3 3 ja 9a plus 3 1 ja 3. So write this plus 3 in the quotient and write 3a square minus 9a plus 3. Change the sign. This is plus, we will change to minus. This is minus, we will change to plus. Plus to minus. This is plus 3a square minus 3a square cancel. Minus 9a plus 9a cancel. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Clear? If you feel any difficulty, read it again and read that example also. Now next I. This is same as I showed you example. We have to divide c cube minus 27 by c minus 3. So we will write c minus 3 as divisor and c cube minus 27 as dividend. See here, after c cube there is no term with c square and there is no term with c. Since terms with literal coefficient c square and c are missing, so place is left for them. We have left 2 places here. Now follow the same pattern. First term of this dividend by this first term of this divisor, c cube upon c. C cube means c multiply c multiply c. C cancel, c square is left. Now c square multiply by c minus 3. C square multiply by c cube minus c square multiply by 3. It is 3c square. So write this c square as quotient here and this product c cube minus 3c square. We will write like this, c cube below c cube, then minus 3c square here below the space left. Now change the sign. C cube minus c cube cancel. Now it is plus 3c square, not minus 3 square. Plus 3c square is here. Now c here, 3c square upon c. This 3c square upon this c. 3c square means 3 multiply c upon c. C cancel. 3c left. Now 3c multiply by c minus 3. So 3c multiply by c minus 3c multiply by 3. It will be 3c square minus 9c. We will write this 3c as quotient and this is the product. So write here plus 3c and write product 3c square minus 9c. Change the sign. Plus 3 square minus 3 square cancel. Now it is plus 9c. We will write here plus 9c minus 27. This minus 27 now will be written here. Again same pattern, 9c upon c. C cancel, it is equal 9. Then 9 multiply by c minus 3. 9 multiply C, 9C minus 9 3 is 27. So this 9 will be written as quotient and this is the product. C plus 9 here and write product here 9C minus 27. Change the sign, minus plus. Plus 9C minus 9C cancel, minus 27 plus 27 cancel. Now next question, question number 3. See in the book. Divide and verify the result for the following. Divide and verify the result for the following. Here we have to divide 4a square plus 4a minus 24 by a minus 2. This is dividend and this is divisor. First we will divide as we divided in question number 2. Same pattern. 4a square plus 4a minus 24 divided by a minus 2. 4a square upon a cancel. 4a left, then 4a multiply by a minus 2. It is 4a square, 4a multiply a, 4a square minus 4 2 ja 8a. Write this 4a as quotient and this is product. See 4a here, 4a square minus 8a minus plus. We have changed the sign. 4a square minus 4a square cancel, plus 4a plus 8a. It will be plus 12a. Now write this minus 24 and repeat the same pattern. This 12a divided by this a. See here 12a upon a. A cancel. 12 is quotient. 12 multiplied by a minus 2. It will be 12a minus 12 to the 24. This 12 we will write here plus 12 and write the product here 12a minus 24. Change the sign. This is plus, it will be minus, minus will change to plus. Both are cancelled, remainder is 0. Now this is remainder, this is quotient, this is dividend and this is divisor. In this question we have to verify the result also. How we will verify? See verification in your book also. This is verification. Dividend is equal divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. We will write it here also. Verification dividend is equal divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. What is dividend? Dividend is 4a square plus 4a minus 24. We will write below dividend. Then this equal sign here. Then divisor. What is the divisor? Divisor is a minus 2. In place of this divisor, we will write a minus 2. Then multiply. If there is no sign between these two brackets, it will be considered as multiply. And what is the quotient? Quotient means answer. What answer we have got? We have got 4a plus 12. It is 4a plus 12 plus what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Now we will multiply these two brackets as we already done. A multiply by this 4a plus 12 minus 2 multiply this 4a plus 12. So a multiply by 4a plus a multiply by 12 minus 2 multiply by 4a minus, out of this bracket there is minus sign, so this sign will change minus. It is also changed here, it is plus, it is minus. 2 multiply by 12 plus 0. A multiply by 4a is equal 4a square plus a multiply by 12 12a minus 2 4 ja 8a minus 12 2 ja 24. Now 4a square, simplify this 12a minus 8a, we get plus 4a minus 24. And what is the left side? 4a square plus 4a minus 24. And what is the right hand side? 4a square plus 4a minus 24. So left hand side is equal right hand side. So it is verified. Clear? Now third B. Now question number third B. Z square plus 14z plus 12 by z plus 7. So this is divisor, this is dividend. Z square plus 14z plus 12 divided by z plus 7. See rough work. Z square upon z. Z cancel. Z is the quotient. Z multiply by z plus 7. z multiply z, z square plus z multiply 7, 7z. So this is the quotient and this is product. Write here quotient z and write here product z square plus 7z. Minus minus, it will cancel. Simplify plus 14z minus 7z, we get plus 7z, then plus 12. Right here. Again repeat the process. 7z upon z. This 7z upon this z. Z cancel. Plus 7. Then 7 multiply by z plus 7. 7 multiply z, 7z plus 7 multiply 7. 7 7 ja 49. So write this plus 7 here and 7z plus 49 here. Change the sign. This will cancel. Simplify it. Plus 12 and minus 49. We will subtract 12 from 49. We get minus 37. Then verification. Verification is equal dividend is equal divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Dividend is z square plus 14z plus 12. Divisor is z plus 7. Quotient is z plus 7. Both are same. See divisor. This is divisor and this is quotient. And I have not put this multiplication sign because it is automatically multiply. Plus what is the remainder? Remainder is minus 37. Now z multiply by this z plus 7 plus 7 multiply z plus 7 plus minus 37. Z multiply z, z square plus z multiply 7, 7z plus 7 multiply z, 7z plus 7 7 ja 49. It will become minus 37 because there is out of this bracket there is plus sign. Now z square plus 7z plus 7z both are like terms. It will be added. 7 7 14 plus 14z plus 49 minus 37. It will be plus 12. What is the left hand side? Z square plus 14z plus 12, and right hand side also z square plus 14z plus 12. Left hand side is equal right hand side, hence verified. If both the sides are equal, it means our solution is right. But if there is any difference in terms or sign, it means we are making some mistake. We should check our solution. Be careful. And next question, question number 4. Answer the following question. These are word problems. Leave these two questions. I have written here, leave question number 4. Cross.